Hello friends, welcome to my channel Nature with Knowledge. So today we will talk about top 10 talking birds in the world. So let's get started. Okay, so first one is blue-fronted Amazon. Blue-fronted Amazon parrots are among the best talking birds kept as pets. This beautiful parrot is named after its distinctive blue marking on the head. You should spend quality time with blue-fronted Amazon to improve its talking ability. Blue-fronted Amazons have a tendency to bond with only one person. They mimic human voice only if they socialize right. Interestingly, they can talk for hours if trained well. Blue-fronted Amazon also known for their sweet song. Next one is cockatoo. Cockatoos are extremely social bird with better talking ability. Cockatoos can imitate a wide range of sounds, but their talking ability entirely depends upon quality of training. There are different species of cockatoos in the world, among them rose-breasted cockatoo, yellow-crested cockatoo, and long-billed cockatoo are better talkers. Cockatoos need special care from their owner to learn speaking. They have a tendency to copy the words they are repeated by the owners on regular basis. Cockatoos can easily mimic words associated with their habits. The change in tone will definitely make difficulty in learning. They won't learn every word so easily but will mimic in the right way through proper training. Okay, next one is monk parakeet. Monk parakeet, also known as quaker parrot, mainly found across Europe, South and North America. Like other talking birds, monk parakeets also require care and proper training to mimic the human voice. Monk parakeets learn and imitate the words they hear repeatedly from the trainer. A well-socialized monk parakeet also able to use the words they learned at right situations. It is only practical if the trainer associate right actions or emotions with words while teaching. This social bird also mimics other sounds they hear from the surroundings. Okay, next, Indian ring parakeet. Indian ring parakeet is one of the outstanding talking birds in the species of parrot. They can learn between 200 to 250 words. Their ability to mimic the human voice also differs between parrots. It depends among the frequency interaction with the owner. The Indian ring parakeets usually try to copy the human voice from the surroundings. They can also catch up words by hearing the music. Indian ring parakeets' ability to mimic human speech also made exceptional quality. Okay friends, next one is yellow-naped Amazon. Another talented talking bird of the Amazon parrots family, yellow-naped Amazon. This species is known for their contextualized human speech. Yellow-naped Amazons have the power to copy wide range of words and imitate them in excellent quality. Yellow-naped Amazons start to talk from younger age itself. They learn the most of words and phrases from their owners. Yellow-naped Amazons usually bond with only one human. So, the interaction between the owner and pet is the most important factor that defines the talking ability of this parrot. Yellow-naped Amazons also good at repeating the songs they hear from their surroundings. Okay, so sixth one is Bajrigar. Budgerigar or common pet parakeet is an intelligent talking bird native to Australia. This smart social bird can develop outstanding vocabulary. To your surprise, Budgerigar also held a Guinness record in 1995. This incredible species have developed a vocabulary of 1728 words. Not all birds of this species have got such great potential, but some species can learn 300 to 500 words and sentences. They have a tendency to imitate the words repeatedly used by their owner. At the same time, when two or more budgerigars are together, they would never listen to their owner, because in such situations they give more preference in spending time with other budgerigars. Both male and female budgerigars have skill to imitate human speech, but male birds seem to be better at talking more words in the right tone than females. Okay, so next one is hill myna. Hill mynas are one of the best talking birds found across Southeast Asia. They are better known for their ability to mimic human voice in exact tone. Hill mynas also produce wide ranges of whistles and wails and screeches. The Great Indian Hill and Common Hill Myna are the two main species of hill mynas. These two species have more talking power than other mynas. They can mimic human speech in nearly same tone and quality. Some other species of hill myna like southern hill mynas also have talking ability, but they never become so clear like Great Indian Hill or Common Hill Myna. Okay, so next one is Eclectus parrots. Eclectus parrots native to New Guinea Islands are known for their clarity of speech and vocabulary. Eclectus parrots can copy most of the words here around them and mimic them in high quality. Some parrots can even learn and sing an entire song. They can mimic both human speech and other attractive sounds from the surroundings. In that way, Eclectus parrots can even fool their own owners. They repeat the words they learned at right situations. Both male and female Eclectus parrots also make charming and melodious voices. So next one is African grey. The African grey parrot is considered as the most intelligent, smartest talking parrot in the world. They are endemic to the rainforest of West and Central Africa. African grey parrots are known for their better understanding and imitation of human speech. Like other talking birds, African grey parrots also have a tendency to get attached to only one person. The relationship with the owner is the most important factor that shapes the talking ability of African grey parrot. Treating African grey parrots while teaching will help to improve their talking ability much faster. They also learn different kinds of voices from their surrounding. Uh, they are in, they are intelligent enough to mimic different sounds to fool the predators. Okay, friends, last one is yellow crowned Amazon. The playful and affectionate yellow crowned Amazon parrots are found in rainforests of South and North America. They are one of excellent talkers of the Amazon parrots family. Some parrots of this species are excellent talkers and some others never talk. The ability to talk merely depends upon different factors like environment they live and frequency of interaction with humans. Another thing yellow crowned Amazons are known for is their loud voice. They also have long lifespan, more than 60 years. Alright friends, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you want to be notified when I upload a new video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Keep sharing, keep supporting and keep smiling. Thank you so much.